This is the Bike Church. It's an art installation made entirely out of, you guessed it, bikes. It serves as a reminder to share the road, and also as a memorial. It's even interactive. Have a listen. But wait, there's more. Check out the stained glass. Very nice, but there's a problem here. That solar panel is running the lights all day, until the batteries are depleted. I'm going to change that, so it charges during the day, and shines at night. This wire connects the batteries to the lights inside the structure. I'll be installing a photocell. When the sun goes down, it'll act as a light switch by closing the circuit and turning on the lights. Observe.
Ta-da!
When light shines on the photocell, the circuit opens, turning the lights off. Like so. Job done. Follow for more.